Alright, so we're going to create a training video for the cooktop. It's a Miele type Km443 over at the Trump Palace. Somebody came and ordered a control board for the machine. We just tested it and it's actually working. Now the way this machine works is a little bit confused. If you don't know how the buttons are laid out, you won't know what to touch to make it work. This machine has its own individual power buttons, which you must press if you want that individual burner to work. In this case, we have a regular burner on the right, we have a dual burner on the left. So we want the one on the left to work, and as you can tell, it's marked. So first what we do is we press the button. Actually, I'm sorry, gotta press this button. Once he beeps, then the burners are ready to be energized. So then you press this button, and you got to do it quick, because otherwise it goes off, just in case the kids come and they hang out around the kitchen. Okay, and then you increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just to check to see if it's working. And as you can see, by default, it will work just the 4-inch burner and that particular burner. If you want the other one to work, then you come over here and you press the button that will make the one outside works. And once it lights up, you can see where it's going to now turn on, and the whole burner will be light up. We want it off, we press the same button and it goes off. We want it on, we press it and it comes back on. So that's how that works. But it must be energized individually. If you just press that one button and expect the burners to work normally, they're not going to unless you press that button. So the control board was ordered for this, and actually it's working. It does not need it. All the burners work, and we're going to make that happen now. We're going to press all the switches, turn everybody on, power on first, hold it, beeps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, just to get them hot. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, they are working and they're cycling off how they're supposed to. Now we want to turn on the bridge. Press the bridge button, and then we're going to turn on this other one to get the full burner. And we wait, and they will cycle on and off. So as you can see, all the burners are working, and they are working together with the command. So the control board, in fact, is not needed. So now we're going to turn it off. We don't have to do it all individually. We can just press this button, hold it, and it goes off. And now you have the age, which is going to be on until the burner surface cools off. And that is the Miele cooktop over at the Trump Palace.